Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. To any of you that have a BMW with 6-cylinder engines such as N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine guys. If you're trying to find where your exhaust camshaft position sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it, stay with us, we'll cover all that. In addition guys, we have a special video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor. That way you don't have to waste your money on a new sensor if yours is working correctly. So test it guys before you replace it. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. If you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that for your BMW, check out the links. We'll share them in the description of the video below for your convenience. So this is guys N52 engine, but even if you have the other engines, as I said, 6-cylinder engine, procedure will be very similar guys. Now we have the front end removed out of this car, so we can show with a great detail how to fix things on that engine, but practically you don't need to do that for the exhaust camshaft position sensor. We will explain where it's located and what needs to be done, and with the front end removed we can show you that with a great detail. Another thing guys, okay, if you do not take your car apart, you have your radiator fan. That fan can turn on anytime and you can cut your fingers off. So what I recommend, disconnect your car battery. It's even recommended to disconnect your car battery every time you're removing or replacing electrical components. Now, on modern vehicles, especially BMWs guys that have so much electronics, it's very important which car battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. And if you don't know about that, check out the link is in the description of the video below that explains all that, because otherwise you can cause damage guys to your electrical system. You can burn modules, and it happened to us guys in the past and it cost us $2,000. So check out the video that will explain all that. And with that being said, now if you look at the engine that way, you have your oil filter housing here, alternator, crankshaft pulley, AC compressor. This is your cylinder head right here guys. This is your cylinder head. This is the camshaft position sensor for the intake side. You have just one like that on the exhaust side. This is towards the exhaust manifold side guys, because the exhaust is on this side of the engine. So what do we need? Okay, we need reverse Torx 8mm socket. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. And once you guys get that socket and an extension, you can see you can remove that bolt. Now practically the moment you get it loose, you can just remove it by hand. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, perfect. The bolt is out. Make sure that you do not drop that bolt because it will be hard to find. With a small screwdriver you can pry the sensor out gently. Careful not to damage anything. You may leak some oil out. The sensor will be stuck because you have one O-ring that prevents oil from coming out guys, this green O-ring. Now the wire, how you disconnect it, you have one tooth. Okay, so go ahead, pry it up a little bit and pull the sensor out. Okay, you can see that piece here. Let me focus. You need to pry gently up and pull it out. This is the sensor guys, and as I said, we have a video how to test it. Now you can see it's a little bit dirty on the inside, so the engine definitely will need a treatment, cleaning guys solution, and we'll have a video how to clean the inside of your BMW engine coming very soon. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.